Morning. Anything moving this morning? I bet there is. Bet you some large caps, huh? Holy bull. 40. Damn. It's been ass. All right. Well, then I didn't miss anything. Thank goodness. Master Beef at the Daily Cock, huh?
Oh, Billy. Get some sleep, SJ. Holy shit, you look like you just fought in Normandy.
I literally rolled out of bed 5 minutes ago. So there's that. Oh, I like this. And I missed it. No, I didn't. Oh, as soon as I get out the rest. As soon as I get out. This is price compression here on stock that people love trading. Morning, lady. Oh, I see. Chat room got in as soon as I exited. As soon as I exited. $100 billion USA from NVIDIA. Is that how much it was? Very interesting. Where are they going to fab these things? Like, we don't have the fabrication for it. I don't get it. PLTR with that NATO contract. Mm-hmm. Be interesting to see how this market holds up today. They're gonna build it in Texas. Again, I just don't know where this fabrication is gonna come from. Isn't real north of Dallas. I didn't even know NVIDIA had anything in there, but I remember that you did, or went there, looked at whatever. Well, then gets an order. 30 cents spread. Didn't they just do another reverse split? I think they did. Oh, it took about direct hit. All done. Mr. Beef. Master Beef saved my Friday. I got the back to almost break even. I finished the day down $200 because that after hour bullshit headline. All it needed though. Master Beef. Wakes are 8 months. My bad. Master Beef.
Master Beef, the bell has rung. A ticker so thick, it can't be unsung.
Yeah, we got PLTR. It might be large cap day, man, with all the exemptions and the talk of exemptions. And then you have to think forward now. Deals will be made. $10 slightly down. Arizona as well. A lot of potential daily cock with breakout potential. Started at Blackwell. All right. I really didn't want to trade today. I was like, I'm so sick of this market already. It's just the headline risk, man. You're just like, you never know what headline you're getting. Yeah, it's exhausting. Yeah. And the extremes. Like, are we going to go into another lost decade or lost 5 years? Or are we about to go, all time highs and through the roof? Like, you just have no idea what we're going to do. All of where is that? Texas mass production, 12 to 15 months. Seems quick, huh? More to the story. There be going again. PLTR with the juice. Do you really have PLTR calls? Well, you certainly should be of some. I don't know how much. That theta is probably pretty high. That delta was probably low, but You think a lot of people cancel Netflix? I don't know. I don't have that feeling, but they might have. De Pope, good morning to you too. See if you can hit me. Oh, you're getting better. Getting much better. Yeah. ETH is kind of rough. You got to think about it. They basically lost the meta. It wasn't about NFTs anymore. It was about shitcoins. They ain't shitcoins. It's going to last. I think the tech definitely has use case, but it's not ready for mass adoption. You got to think, what is it going to take for your mom and dad to buy an NFT? It's just, we ain't there. So I think the tech will get used in the future. But we are a long way off from mass adoption. And it certainly won't be, hey, buy this NFT so you can be part of our club. That won't be the use case. It'll probably be on the long lines of, you want to buy this house? All right. Here's the rights to this house, all wrapped up in this one NFT. Something like that. Shut up, good banana. So the SPY up against the 1-day max here. I don't know why they're not offset. Which one's which? Huh? All right. Wait, that's the intraday levels? Why isn't the end of day working? Or else we'll see what happens. It could be a crazy day. It could just sell off. I don't know. Jeez. NVIDIA 115. That'll be interesting. All right. 5-minute break. Be back for the open. A lot of things moving here. A lot of large cap stuff. Let's see.
Come on.
Good luck.
Bull with the juice. Halting up. Bull Z? What is the Z? What's this? It's not a warrant, is it? It's Bull Z. Lady, holy jeez. These are warrants? Never seen it labeled like that. Oh, the spread suck. Lady, great trade. Congrats. Jeez. 'THTX. Okay, reversing a bit here. Huh. $96.85. Oh, missed it. Still waiting for something. Let me check my swing list. Okay. What is it? 89. BTF spreads suck. Market's selling off a bit here. Bulls open and juicing. 31.50. 33. Well, we were saying Friday is like, how is this not absolute monster of a company as far as market cap goes? Because it was like sub 100 million, right? Robinhood was in the billions. So surely it can get closer. Still waiting for a setup. That was strong Friday trading, or did you move some? I didn't take any or add money in or out. Big poke. When was the last time you were here? I did. So if you were here Friday and I was down $2,000 or whatever, I made it back on Master Beef after hours. Other than that, that was it. Master Beef saved Monday.
Shall we beat or shall we flee? Tonight we master beef with glee.
What is Fat and doing? Fat Pipe. It's one to watch whenever it does curl. Master Beef with glee. Up-a-doop-doo. Video curl. Yeah, we'll see. Just be a little bounce. Watch bull 1 minute. Spreads kind of suck at times, but we do have a 1 minute here. That'd be 31.50. Gosh, it's scary. Big sellers at 31.50. Bunch of inside candles too. Should do something. Oh, okay. How is this not breaking? Oh, that's why. Because you just came up out of nowhere with freaking bazillion oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Master dicked. Well, volume was coming in. If it would have broke that freaking level and then just magically more shares show up as volume showing up. So they can suck my master beef. Yeah. Lost a lot of money on master beef during market hours. So I might not touch that one again this morning. AREB doing a woman at cuck fail over 95 might be something. Or 96, I guess it is. Wait, it already did a cock. I don't know what the play is here then. Maybe down. Can I see the freaking candlestick, you turd? Yeah. Should have gone and it didn't. So maybe the shorts have the upper hand here. And it has the K starting today. That's going to take a while, won't it, Cheese? Master Beef. You sorry. All in 52-week lows again. And Max, are you putting a bottom in? Okay. And Max 23 break does something for me. 22.96, whatever. Surprise. Oh shit. No? Damn it. Nick had that call. I didn't realize that MP was juicing today. So yeah, USAR should have absolutely been a sympathy watch. Great call, Nick. Absolute banger of a trade. USAR has sympathy. MP, they're in the same field. Now, I mean, this is a 163 million share float, $4 billion company. Master Beef. In my face. That's Calculus. Calculus is here. He's always looking for the sympathy place. All right, B still pushing lower. WGRX, ARTL. What are you? Big level here on the daily chart is 1050 on USAR. MP's near the high. Like, this is just lagging. This should absolutely. I mean, if it's a true sympathy, it should be up near $20, right? 19, 18, somewhere in there. If it's going to match MP. When is it open? 5107. Got about just over a minute. Resumption is 1010. What's the resumption on it? 10 flat? I'd be okay with that. MP went, did it? Yeah, we'll have to watch this one. I say 5107. Yep. Uh, Good boy. Good boy. How'd that feel at 47? I have no idea. Absolute juicer. It's got to get outside this Bollinger Band, otherwise we might pull back. Give us a little more room, maybe up to 11. Come on. Come on. There you go. There's your 11. Hold the 1050. Where are we at? Oh, yeah, Billy. Oh, yeah, Billy. Hold the 1050. See what a 1 minute cock does. If I get it. Bull. Halt it up. Oh, wow. And guess what? We're going to cock. Shocker. Absolute shocker. Says no one. Oh, got an inside candle? Which way is it going to break? Obviously down. A 1060 break would be okay. Nope. WTF trying to do something on the daily. This 1050's got a hold on this USAR. We need to pull away from it. There you go. Give us a W right here. Give us a W to play off of. No, stop breaking this 1050 and freaking hold it. Stop limited quote 1086. 1086. I will add 250 shares. If this candle closes as is, that will give us a W. Goldman out, kissing the ring. Let me guess, you're going to cuck again. Because you can't help yourself. You mother cucker. What is this, 30? All right. Let's go full size on the W then. Is this 1085? I don't want to be in it for another dip down again. BULL gonna open up soon. Gapping up. 33.84. Thank you, Siru. Nice work, lady. Jeez, that was a ballsy trade. Reminder for all of you that will be around tomorrow. Tomorrow we are on the front page of Twitch. Should be fun. It'll be fun seeing all these numbers of viewers. But we'll see if it translates to actual viewers. Full open, pushing 35. Gotta put your best bidding soon. Yeah, you're right. Bulls hitting 36. Jeez. NAOV. Huh. Hood isn't moving on this, is it? Nah. Video, fill in the gap. USAR MACD starting to cross down. Bull 37, 37, 34. Absolute animal. Still waiting on that NMAX 1 day candle over candle. That better be a juicer whenever it happens. Soils, how did you do in that PLTR? Remember disabled talking parent. I could leave it up, but you guys have to promise, like the first person that goes over the edge, I'd have to turn it off. I'll keep it on, but you gotta freaking chill a little bit with some of the things that are said via parent. Jaked. I mean, you could pair it all day long. I don't care. But on the front page, just make sure the parrot is not going to get me banned. What? News on Fannie Mae coming shortly. How does Pulte know that? Is this halting up? What? Why can't I cancel this shit? Why can't we get filled on this shit? Oh, I'm canceled the order, yet now I'm filled. Okay, this is great. What? You can't put out that kind of a headline without knowing something. How does he know shit about? Whatever, I'll take it. Golly, we tweet about FN. We talk about Fannie Mae. This is a news play. If you don't have Benzinga or Trade Exchange, you wouldn't know what's going on. Pulte tweeted that news on Fannie Mae coming shortly. Like, I don't know where he's getting that, but he juiced it. He's the Federal Housing Finance Agency? He is? He's the director? When did that happen? I didn't know that. Well, shit. You like Trade Exchange? Oh yeah, West Rush for sure. The squawk on Trade Exchange is whenever they do the news, they don't do it as often as Betachuck, but it is as fast as Betachuck when they do hit. Does that make sense? Bull over 40. Goodness gracious. Trailing stop. Let's just do 10 cents. Hello. Is Fannie Mae a OTC stock? Is it really? Oh, this is fun. Trying to exit. I didn't know they took it OTC. Well, this is gonna be great. USAR doing a 5-minute cuck. Got some levels now because of it. OpenAI developers supermassive black hole live stream 10 a.m. Pacific. Okay. Up-a-doo-doo. All right, we do have a 5-minute cut. We've already mentioned. We do have a 5-minute cuck here. 1075 would be USAR. Just a 2-point diagonal right now. Oh no. As soon as I entered, it pulled right back. What are the spreads? 1075 is the level. $60. I'm gonna lower my size because I don't like that it's stalled here. Really needed that 1075. All right, let me get an order in. 1075. 1074. 1090. AREB trying to curl. It's got a ways to go. All right, another cuck. If that doesn't do anything, maybe at 1060 will get the bulls the upper hand. MP 52-week highs, so everything's ripe for this thing to move. What's kids? KIDZ. It's juicing. Be trading against the MACD, so if I do go long here, I'm going to be very tight on it. If it doesn't like break out. So now it's 71 break to the 5-minute. So what happens? Bull 43. Jeez. And it's ready. Why is this? Bull. MP still juicing. What's Bull Z doing? Is it still ripping? Very tight on the 1 minute here on USAR. Got the squeeze going on the squeeze indicator. It's going to be pop or drop. Just don't know which direction. Bull hitting 45. Good God. 46.50. 46.80. Jeez, Joe. Let's go. $10 to 40. Holy crap. My man, did you have a decent size or like it was 100 shares? I mean, even if 100 shares, it's like $3 grand. All right, couple inside candles here. So we're probably going to get a move on whichever way this decides to break out of this range here. Lady Trader's juicing. Yeah, she's probably running around her house naked. At least that's what I would be doing. Lady Trader, just show some freaking respect here for the rest of us. At least sit at the table with your clothes on. Show some freaking respect. All right, we got a juice here? 71, 68. Here we go. It's got to break 71. Just a little bit. Rest of it didn't get filled. What am I at? 2,000 deep? Pushing 11. Let's go for that 11. Do it. Man, at 75. Six. All right, this candle is 95. Bull 48. Holy jeez. 4. Every time that bid gets up close to that. Selling some so it goes higher. For as much of a squeeze as it was, it's certainly not firing yet. Could go. That was a cock and it didn't go. That MACD's trying to curl. All right, I'll have to re-enter here if we get back to those highs. My gosh! Go. For 91. Be the 30-second cock. Okay, that might be it. Nope. Yep, nope, yep, nope. Come on. Hidden Seller 91. Of course. My freaking luck. I ain't playing around with that. 91's my level right now. We got a bunch of 30-second inside candles. What was it? 10, 9, 92. You can't buy Bull Z. I'll have to look at it in a second. It was really spready. GME high day. Okay. Sums up with GME. I bet you they're going to have a pretty big announcement soon. I think this is the first time Ryan Cohen and staff have, actively been buying it. I feel like we're going to get a pretty big announcement out of them. Liquidating. Over 88 to 1 minute. There's that hidden seller. He's a gone. He's a gun. I think I filled at the high end of my freaking whatever. Let's see if 11 can go. Plenty of volume for it to break. Boom. Can you hold up, bud? Oh! Bullshit. Hidden Seller's back. And into a cuck. Of course. Okay. And that'll hurt. Yep. There goes $500. You saw right back up. Did I just sell the low of that candle? Unbelievable. There's Master Beef at. Okay. US Steel. Bull hitting 50. Jeez. Arnie. All right. Surely we get. And now USAR goes. You piece of shit. You freaking piece of shit. Oh my gosh. So someone's joining the board of Fannie Mae? That's the headline? Oh, jeez. That's going to tank it. Oh, look at that. USAR false halt up. Shocker. Shockingly not shocked. What's MP doing? Is it still ripping? Got a 5-minute on MP, 2750 something, whatever that is. Stack. Master Beef still approaching that 390 level. ARB did a 5-minute cuck and go fail. Newsmax has some levels here. Was it 2275? As I say, it blows through my level. Watch over 2295 now. Okay. Okay, Daddy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, 2260, we'll call it. Whatever this is. 22. Dang it. Did not click Gartley. I don't even know how to turn this off. Okay, whatever. Taking half. Don't want to get too excited. I missed my entry by 20 cents, so, you know, got to keep it real. $22.50 here. Big volume spike. See if we can hold up. We'll see. I was waiting for MMAX 1 minute. I don't think I said 1 minute. I was talking about the daily candle over candle earlier. Looking for the first daily candle over candle. All it's been doing since this is just breaking low, breaking low, breaking low, breaking low, breaking low, breaking low. Looking for that first bounce is basically what I'm getting at. So that's a 1 minute cuck. It's really doing nothing. Watch for the candle over candle here for a break at 23.50 and maybe higher if the spread didn't suck so bad. So if the spreads tightened up, that would be a 23.40 break. Might try to add on it. Hopefully I'm not slow as nuts like I was last time. 23.50. Let's do it this way. So break of 40. Actually, now it's a break of 38. 37, 38. Okay. Bunch of inside candles now. But that means break to the downside. Because it never means break up. 35. There's the 35 break. Okay. I can fill that. 37. Okay. Respectable. Give me the 2350. Come on. Gonna do it for us? Gonna do it for us? Come on. 4 more pennies. 4 more pennies. Oh. Oh. Ayo. Ayo. Okay. That's good trade. Good trade. Good trade. KIDZ still juicing. Bull consolidating a little bit. Look at this spread. Piece of shit. All right, back to where I was before that terrible trade. A or AB. Oh, entitlement sponsor for the American Rebel Light for Y Nationals. NHRA. What is that? HRA. Drag racing. Ah. Be right back. Fix is melting, huh? Max through the level. It's 24 and 2450. Frickin' neighbor kid, neighbor dog, and neighbor. I've got a story for you. So I put my trash cans outside of this wall, right? And it was tipped over yesterday. Tipped over. Trash everywhere. And I didn't have much in it because I have bears around here. I'm like, the bears aren't out yet. Like, what the hell knocked it over? Didn't even think anything of it. Then I get a text from my neighbor telling me that I shouldn't be throwing food out because their dog is getting in. I'm like, I'm not throwing food out. I'm nuts. And keep your dog off my freaking property is what I wanted to say back. But, you know, I'm not trying to start World War II. So I just like being polite. Maybe the cleaning lady threw it out. I don't know. I'll tell her. But we have a rule in our HOA that you cannot walk around without your dog on a leash. My neighbor routinely opens the door, lets the dog roam the street, shit everywhere it wants, whatever, and then comes back. And it has been on my property numerous amount of times. Sends me a text saying that I should keep my trash somewhere else, which I don't keep it outside, but should not throw food scraps out in the woods because their dog is eating it. Fast forward to just what happened just right now. I hear, Dad, like outside my fucking window. Like there should be no human being there, right? We'll call a neighbor. Well, I can't call him Bob. It's not Bob. We'll call him Jordan. Jordan's running down my hillside trying to get his damn dog off my property. Literally days after it said, My dog's getting in your stuff. So Jordan, dog, and kid on my property now. Not only is it the dog, it's a threesome. Question. Do I have legal right to shoot this dog? I mean, it's like a medium-sized dog. I could fend for my life. Kid should be in school. No, it's like I don't know, it's a young kid. Like preschool size. Rat poison. I mean, I wouldn't want it to suffer. Jordan, on the other hand, can suck a dick. Cut cam, claim self-defense. Pull the Epstein on it. Grapes and onions. Well, I don't have a camera over there, so I have like no video proof. Complaining the HOA. I really don't want to have to deal with the HOA, good or bad. Shoot in the head. Cayenne pepper. The Pope, let's go. Are dogs allergic to chocolate? Call animal control. It doesn't work like that here. I don't just have animal control down the road. You are your own animal control. How about they use a leash? Yeah, no joke. How about they follow the freaking rules? Poison. I wouldn't poison the dog. I'd shoot it before I would poison it. But I certainly am not going to poison the dog. Like they have this like satellite, I don't know, tracking thing on it. Not like a hunter dog tracking thing, but something similar. And they have this little clicker that they click it, and they think the dog is trained to come back when they click it, and it buzzes the collar. Not shock it, but buzzes the collar. The dog could care less. The dog says F you and just keeps doing whatever the hell it wants to do. Paintball gun. I've been meaning to get one for the Bears. That would be the play. Get a bigger dog. I don't want the... Oh my gosh, the Pope. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. That's an army of dogs. And that's the other thing is I was watching that old dog just a few weeks ago. Like I know Jordan's dog would kick the shit out of my old decrepit dog that I was watching. Luckily, I don't keep her outside. Even though she is an outside dog. But like I said, I got bears and all sorts of animals outside that would probably wouldn't mess with the dog, but no, I'm not trying to chance it here. What breed is Jordan's dog or the dog I was watching? It was a border collie. It was the one I'm watching. Jordan's dog, I don't know what it is. It looks like I don't know. It's like that dog that looks like a pit bull, but it's not a pit bull. It could be a mutt for all I know. I don't know when they got this freaking dog. Jordan's the neighbor. I just gave Jordan a name. His name is not Jordan. Staffordshire Terrier. I don't know. Of course, I go out there. He's like, "Oh, I'm so sorry for this. So sorry. It's just trying to call him back and he won't." I'm like, "Oh yeah." I didn't say this. I wanted to. I'm trying to stay friendly with a certain amount of my neighbors. I don't want to hate them all. It's like I'm trying to get them back. I'm like, oh, maybe that little clicking, buzzing thing ain't gonna do shit for your untrained dog. Maybe a little clicking thing ain't gonna work. Baseball bat to the dog's back. None of you here could do that, I guarantee you. Unless it was attacking you, then it's on. Then it's on. Before my neighbor watches. Yeah, now I can't take a baseball to the back of this dog because now there's video proof that it was me. I'll stream. Jordan to 36 months though. Oh, it's frustrating though. And when Jordan sent me that text, I was like so pissed off. Like the audacity that you send me a text saying stop doing what I'm doing. Jordan, getting off the lawn. Stop shitting my heart. The audacity to send me a text, tell me to stop doing something I'm not doing, but it is also not against HOA. Like if I'm an idiot that wants to put trash outside my trash can, I can do that. There's nothing against the HOA rules that I can't. Also, if I want to throw scraps out into the woods, I'm allowed to. Nothing that says I can't do that. And track bears, but I can do that. So I'm not breaking any freaking rules. Jordan, on the other hand, is breaking rules with his freaking dog off a leash. Composting, you're not allowed to compost in my HOA. Take it hostage. Yes. ETH over 1680. Bears can smell the menstruation. Oh, jeez. Guys are dumb. Attack yours inside your fence. Uh-huh. Bob hasn't been back since the hurricane. I think he came up one time. His yard's a disaster. Trees everywhere, down trees. Bob might have said Bob might have finally said I'm getting too old for this shit. Bob could be dead. There's a high probability Bob is dead. Don't know for sure, though. I have a freaking freezer that I have to install a piece on. I have to do it in the next hour. It shouldn't take me 2 minutes to do. So I'm expecting a phone call to see with tech support to see if I can do it by myself or not. I'm supposed to follow up. It's like a little board that I think got blown out when I got lightning strike at the house here. I've been putting it off. I have to do this. It should only take me like 1 minute, and then I just got to make sure it turns back on. So I might have to bail here for about 5 minutes. I really kind of want to watch this USAR W on the. Well, that's not a W. It's a diagonal. Watching that. MP's still looking nice. Speaking of Chainsaw Bob, what was that book? End of Times? You mean 5 or 1 second after? The EMP book? Trump at 11 a.m. What? Who's gonna clean all the trash on the ground? Well, I did it last time. I caught. Luckily, Jordan was getting his dog before he could get into. I mean, like when I say there was trash in the trash can, it's like stuff that I threw out from my car. Stuff like not like kitchen trash. So I cleaned it up yesterday. Or the day before, whatever. Yesterday, I think it was. So the dog was running over in that general direction, probably trying to get another sniff, trying to get another hit. But his owner this time was chasing after him. Taco Bell wrappers. Yeah. Full, nice curl. So covered. Shit, just go home. Okay, yeah. Okay. Foul smelling junk. That's not going to keep a dog away, man. Dog will probably like roll around in that shit. Feed the dog hard-boiled eggs. Shit parts of that. They won't. That might be the 200 IQ play there. That might be the 200 IQ one. 200 cayenne peppers.
What's good stock nuts?
What's up, homie? Joshua J. Fox in the hizzle. Cayenne peppers what I use to keep my dog out of places. Well, I mean, like, how do I keep it out of a trash can? Like, sprinkle it around it, maybe? Again, I don't often have things in it, but when I do, I don't want to have to deal with a freaking dog. Oh, for crying out loud, Joshua J. Fox. Slightly turned on now. Fill with cayenne and eggs. That might be the 200 IQ play. Is just dump a ton of hard-boiled eggs outside. Crying out loud, Joshua J. Fox. Motion activated sprinkler. I think I could get a hose over that area. It's always freaking something, man. Can people just like not be idiots? Like I moved here because I wanted to be away from people, but like close enough to 6 billion. I moved here because I wanted to be away from people, but I also didn't want to be too far away from the grocery store. Now I'm at the point in my life where screw the grocery store. I'll make a trip to town and load up a truck once a month if I have to. The next place is going to be 100+ acres somewhere. Million in dirt. Yeah. Or buy him out. Put out Easter eggs. Dog eats. Sue for 100 to buy a new egg. 12-cent profit. It's on sale. Jeez. MP is juicing. All right, let me go install this board real quick and make sure this freezer works. I'll put on benzing and all that for y'all.
Comments from the New York Fed.
Members taking a look at
New
your
York Fed
New York Fed survey
says
of
March
consumer
year ahead expected inflation 3.6% versus
year
February's
ahead
3.1%.
expected at 3.6% versus February's 3.1%.
Says March expectation unemployment will rise to highest since April 2020.
New York
That's
Fed
from New York
March
Fed.
3-year ahead expected inflation unchanged at 3%.
MAT, Mattel, and TKO, Mattel and WWE renew global licensing partnership. That's Michael Alpha Tango, Tango Kilo Oscar.
Members, being posted in the news desk will be a link to the short-term inflation expectations of the New York Fed. Excuse me.
Your PCSA, Papa Charlie, Sandy Alpha, sure seen a spike in activity, new highs, PCSA.
USAR, U.S. Rare Earth shares trading near the high of the day, up 44.4% to $12 a share. As shares of metals and mining companies are trading higher, following reports indicating the Trump administration is planning to stockpile deep sea metals to counter China. That is Uniform Sierra Alpha Romeo. VKTX, that's Viking Therapeutics shares continue to trade higher, up 8.33% to $24.07 on the session. And they're trading higher after Pfizer discontinued the development of Danuglipron. That is Victor Kilo Tango X-ray. MP, that's MP Materials Corporation, up 23.1% near the high of the day to $27.84. Also moving up as those reports for the Trump administration's plans to stockpile deep sea metals to counter China. That's Mike Papa. Also, NB Neocorp Developments up 20.9% to 2.49 or $2.49 a share. That's also on that Trump administration information. They're going to stockpile deep sea metals to counter China. That is November Bravo. And CMC, the metals company, up 28.2%, right a skosh away from the high of the day to $2.50 a share. Also on that news, on the reports that indicate the Trump administration plans to stockpile deep sea metals to counter China. That is Tango, Mike, Charlie.
NBR juiced in it. Bull going for it again. Jeez. Yeah, the freezer doesn't seem. I'm gonna have some questions for the person that's calling me. About 30 minutes, I think, is the appointment. It's not acting right, so we'll see. Crop tops, huh? Bull 58, almost 59. Gonna halt again, no doubt. Jeez. All right. I'm looking things up here. Doing something wrong. Highly probable. We'll try this.
Members posted in desk is a link to bilateral. Members, just a little clarification. I think we had some mic issues. Posted in the news desk is a link to President Trump's bilateral meeting with El Salvador.
That's ticker GDHG, Golf Delta Hotel Golf. Sure seeing a spike in activity, new highs. GDHG. It's LVMH Q1 sales on the wire now. Ticker TPR. Seeing increased activity on it.
Remember seeing the LVMH coming in with their earnings data. We are seeing a little